Hey everyone, do you wanted to know how to earn 50 to 200 rupees in just 5 minutes? Then this video is for you. Let me start with my own screenshot of payment proof. You see, I have received 90 rupees from College Dunia Web Private Limited for writing a review on my college. So you can also earn like this, like from 50 rupees to 200 rupees. Now let me show you the review that I have given. So this is my review of my college. I have written some statements about my college and they granted me 90 rupees like within 10 minutes after writing the review. So in order to write your college review and earn money, what you have to do is just click the link that is available in the description of this video. So you will be redirected to the referral page of College Dunia. Just click on this, cannot find my college. And if you belong to any of these colleges, you can directly click them and write your review for that particular college. If not, you can choose this, cannot find my institute, and enter manually. So here you will choose your college name and then enter your course name and then click submit. If you are already a registered user, enter your mobile number, click submit and enter the OTP. If not, if you are a new member, just click on this register here, provide your name, your mobile number, your email address, choose your city and then click submit. So after providing the OTP, you will see something like this. So you can choose the gender of you, which is male or female, and then choose your college enrollment year, say it is 2018, and the program fees you can say something like this, and choose your college board, 12th board. If you are like from Telugu states or something, you can choose this, and then you can click your percentage. Similarly for 10th, some your board and then click your percentage. Are you availed any quota? You can say no. If you are having any quota, you can choose that. Was there any GD or PI for the admission? You can say no. What was your class size? You can say this. Do you opt for hostels? If yes, you can choose yes. If not, you can leave it. Do your college provide placements? You can click yes. Does your college provide internship opportunities? Based on the availability, you can choose that. Have you applied for any other institute or program? You can choose that. If it is not, you can leave it. Why didn't you opt why didn't you opt for this college? If you have already chosen some other applied, but if you did not apply for it, you can fill it out and you can click save and next. So the step 2 has come. Now you have to admission process. You have to answer this. How was the admission process? Describe the below pointers. So you can choose, mention the colleges you applied and reason for not attending. If you availed any quota for admission, discuss the admission criteria for your program such as minimum marks and age. How was the admission process? Please provide the counseling date and that. So try to write a review on all these aspects, and that must be minimum of 200 characters. So it must include the colleges you have applied and the college you received, and what is the criteria for the admission, and how was the admission process happened at your college, and you can choose that. And then you can, how did you rate your college and overall experience? You have to choose the overall experience of your college, like any other number that you are interested to give, and then click save and next. So it is asking for me to mandate. So the copy paste option is also not possible here. Let me pause this video and write something over here. So I have filled it, right? I have given some characters in it, say about 200 characters, and then you can click save and next. So you have come into the next step, which is like you have to mention the course curriculum, how are the faculty members, and they rate your course. Again, this is same. Let me pause this video and complete this step again. So you can see again I have answered all the questions that were answered here. So try to maintain the answer in a paragraph. That would be good because the people, the answers, as I have already shown you, this should look something like this. So there is no point to point answer. This is the model one. So you have to refer to this. I will also provide the link to this particular review that I have given on this website, which got approved, and I got the prize money, like say the cashback, within 10 minutes. So you have to provide something like this. The detailed answer is always welcome and it is really helpful for students, right? So you have to provide in such a way, but for this is as a demo, I'm showing you this fastly. So and then click save and next. So we are at step 4. Here is a question on the fee and the structure. So do provide the college, like the fee structure, is there any fee hike policy apart from that? If you have something, or if there are any scholarship that are offered by the college, you can mention that. If there is no scholarship like fee hike, you can mention that, and then click this rating like 6 or 7 or 8, and then click save and next. So this you have to complete for another 8 steps similarly. So all the questions that are answered here, and then select this and then click save and next. I will complete this process so quickly, and I'm going to pause the video right now. So you can see that you can have to, like, after filling the 2 to 3 questions, you will be asked to give a title for your review. You can say a honest review, a best review, the reality, something of this college, and then you can click save and next. So you will have to check this box, I agree with the terms and conditions, and then click submit. So here is how you're going to do. Thank you for your response. To be eligible for the reward, please verify your identity as a student of the JB Institute of Engineering and Technology. For this, you have to provide your college ID, and so you can click this submit now. So what you have to do is provide your college email ID or provide a mark sheet. Any one field is enough for this. So let me say if you have a college ID, and then click submit. So your college ID has been changed, right? So you will see here your name and all, your name, email ID, phone number, and then you can click just save. City is not address. Sorry, here it got to 8, so change to some other city name, and then click save. Click save. So you can again click save. So you can go to this review. So this is your review. You have completed this. They will review your review and then get back to you. And if this status gets to approved, then you will get 90 rupees onto your cashback, like onto your Paytm account. So for this, in order to get this amount, you must have your Paytm account created on the number that you applied for. So that is all about review of your college. And thank you so much for watching this video. You can ask any other questions in the comment section below.